Thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We're doing one half case, 6 boxes actually. There's no cases with first off the line. 6 box first off the line break. Panini English Premier League Prizm. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Simply search Soccer Breakers FC. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching on YouTube. Also, if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be greatly appreciated. Check out our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. A bunch of good stuff up on there right now. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Here are your teams for number 4. Aldo, you got Southampton. Andrew, Norwich. Argelia, West Ham and Palace. Catherine, Burnley and Bournemouth. Chris, Villa. Derek, Leicester. Devon, Tottenham. Jasper, Brighton. Kevin, Arsenal. Adrian, you got Chelsea. Nick, you got Manchester United. Paul, Watford. Tharnpura, Everton. Itti, you got Liverpool. Davor, you got Man City. Michael, you got Newcastle. Jay, you got Sheffield. Nick, you got the Wolves. So good luck. 6 boxes. We'll go 3 at a time. Yeah, Paul's holding back for you, Jasper. You better hurry. Otherwise, Paul's going to snatch him up. He's being nice. Something just changed. Was that Jasper grabbing Brighton? Está mi teléfono. You tried a new team, someone else will do now. Okay, who's your grab? Southampton. Yeah, Southampton's kind of. Haven't heard of any, but the ones that people get all grab all the time are I think Burnley and Bournemouth are Catherine and Justin, and then Jasper with Brighton. Norwich City, believe it or not, has a bunch. I don't know if they got grabbed yet, but that's the one that everybody. They're usually the first to go. Is Norwich City. You got Bournemouth. Oh, okay, that's one of them. Yeah, Bournemouth and Burnley. Those are 2 that get grabbed usually. But hey, it's a free country. You grab any team you like. I can try to make a Chicharito auto happen. I don't think they're numbered, Servando. Only the non-auto cards are numbered to 8. The autos are usually not numbered. They're still blue shimmer, but they're not numbered. Hey, if I do hit it though, it's going to Argelia. It's not going to you. You're gonna have to ask her if you can have it. Not numbers okay with you. Be nice. See if she'll give it to you. Oh, gold or black. Let's do it. All right, here we go, guys. First 3 boxes. Let's do it. Make that immaculate happen. That'll be our last break of the night. 4 spots left on the filler, if we can fill it. To 149, Milivojevic. To 199, Balbuena. There's your blue shimmy sham right there. To 199, Nathan Ake. To 99, Liverpool, Trent Alexander-Arnold. Oh, come on. You're missing another auto again? I hate this. I think we're missing another auto, guys. These things are like missing a lot of autos. 191 of 199, Longstaff. To 75, Bellerin. MacArthur. To 149, Andre Gray. We are missing an auto. What's the... Wolves. Saiz. Yeah, on numbers I know. Autos are not numbered. At least it wasn't the 1-0. I'll see what I can do, guys, on that. On the other ones, but on the FOTL, come on. On the regular ones, I know it's on average, but for FOTL, that was the whole point. Otherwise, you wouldn't be paying $170 a box to not get an auto. Second time, second one out of what, 24? 2 out of 24. We're missing, I can't remember if it was break 1 or 2. We also were missing an auto in one of those two. But I've heard it's quite common. I've heard from Austin and George had missing autos as well. To 199, Hugo Lloris. 7 autos from one box? Yeah, there's obviously, yeah, they screwed up on packing. There's 7 autos in one box. That means there's 7 boxes with no autos. To 99, Armstrong. I bet it was a Chicharito. Jamal Lewis to 149. Townsend to 199. Salah to 199. Yeah, exactly. Give me back my autos. This is 75. Mark Noble. 7 shimmer autos in one box. That's pretty crazy. Last break we had 2 autos in one box, but one was a shimmer and the other one was not. Oh, please don't do this to me. Are you kidding me? Townsend to 199. I don't think there's anything in this box. I'm going to definitely have to contact Panini about this. I don't see either. Laporte to 99. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a replacement for this, guys. Patricio. Pain in my butt. This one doesn't have an auto or a blue shimmer card. Gosling to 149. Alright, this is bullshit. Oh no, on this they have to. I mean, I can understand, like, you know, the 1 per whatever, but I mean, this didn't have anything, that box. I hope this is not going to be the whole batch is going to be like this. That's going to kill me. Alright, so we're 2 boxes in. We haven't hit an auto yet. David De Gea. There we go. Finally, what is it? Okay, now this is an auto, but it's not a blue shimmer auto. It's a regular auto. It's a blue shimmer auto. Finally, flipping blue shimmer autograph. Okay, so this one's alright. We got our blue shimmer and we got 2 autos instead of 1, but These six, yes, these six all came from the same place. Lacazette, as did, trying to remember. I think 3 of the ones from the last break also came from the same place. 84 of 99, El Ghazi. Yeah, but they don't have any control. I mean, it's Panini ships it. They can't, you know, the boxes are sealed. You can't. All right, so we're missing 2 Shimmer Autos so far. It's there. Number to 25, McGoldrick, Sheffield. To 149, Sissoko. Have to do all of this. Let's do this one first because it's an auto, regular auto. It's always Fuchs. The extra auto seems like it's always Fuchs. Last time it was too. Fuchs for Leicester. Autograph. DeAndre Yedlin. Newcastle. It's Mike. And our number to 8 card. Come on, give me a big team. West Ham. Who had West Ham? That was, yeah, that was Servando. Good luck. Balbuena, a rookie card. Rookie card to 8. Balbuena. Yep, 2 autos and 1 shimmer. That's what's missing. Alright, let me clear this off. Alright, I hope these next 3 boxes are a lot better than these first 3 boxes. First 3 boxes were crap. Sorry. Alright, here we go. Let's go one at a time. Maybe I'll change our luck. Jesus worries. This is another '09 box, which is the problematic boxes. Alright, there's something. I don't know what it is. I think it's an autograph. Alright, there's the other one. Good. This one at least had what it was supposed to. Yeah, they're always in back-to-back packs, too. Brighton team logo. To 99, Ross Barkley. To 149, Yarmolenko. To 199, Azpilicueta. To 199, Milivojevic. To 25, Connor Cody. To 99, Kieran Clark. All right, here we go. Wolves. Wow, really? Really good correlation there. 4 of 8. 4 of 8 and 5 of 8 in consecutive boxes. I got the Wolves, Nick Moss. So we can pull 6 of 8 out of the next box. All right, flashback auto. Flashback autograph. Come on, good luck. One time. Give us something sick. Wojciech Szczesny for Arsenal. Szczesny for Arsenal. They took on the top employees. Yeah, seriously. I was like, really? I mean, the regular product's been okay. It's just this first off the line stuff that's been a disaster. Let's see where we're at. 1-0. Maybe this one will be better, I hope. All right, here we go. Yota to 149. To 199, John Joe Shelby. I know, man. Cancun sounds like a planet. To 75, Basham. Chris Basham. 75, Sheffield. Where's he from? England. He's English. To 199, Arsenal. To 99, Tete. There's our autograph. And there's our number to 8. Good luck, good luck. Number to 8 card. Who's it going to be? Crystal Palace. Joel Ward. Joel Ward. 8 of 8. Let's go with the auto. Go this way. Who's it going to be? Jamie Vardy. Jamie Vardy for Leicester. That's the first Vardy I've pulled out of either first off the line or the regular product. Pretty sure he's short print. Vardy, yeah, definitely. Still waiting for like a case hit shimmer, like a Ronaldo, Henri, Bergkamp, you know, something like that. out of the first 24 boxes. Best autos we've got have been like Michael Owen, Barty, Cole. Oh, the Ian Rush was nice. All right, last box. Make it count. So 09 again. Let's see. To 199, Vestergaard. Saw the auto there, so that's good. At least we know we got the auto. To 149, Rui Patricio. To 199, Marcus Rashford. To 99, Masuaku. To 75, Ozil. There's that. All right, here we go. Good luck, good luck. Man City. Ederson, Manchester City. Liverpool. There you go, Piety. Come on, be something sick. Nice. Allison. I know this world is killing you. It's one of our better autos, that's for sure. P.E.T. Alisson. We'll see. See how these go. I am gonna try to see if I can get anything from them guys. I will submit this and let you guys know how it goes. I got a bunch of other stuff I need to submit too. I have a submission from like 7 months ago that they still haven't replaced, so hopefully on this they'll act faster. All the batches are like 6 to 12 boxes. I mean Jasper. There's no big batches because everybody I bought them 3, 6. I think the most was like 9. So, you know, I have a bunch of different people sending me like 9, 12, 6, 3. Had like 6 or 7 3-casers that I got. Because a lot of people, most people just ordered like 6 or 9. So at least that's good. If you guys want, I'll be glad to do personals. I've got about, yeah, quite a few more. I have a bunch more coming tomorrow. I got like 30 today. I've got another like 80, 60, 80 coming in the next couple days. All right, recap. All right, recap time. We had Brighton. Then we had Mo Salah to 199 to 99. Tete, Kieran Clark, Ross Barkley, Alexander Arnold, Laporte, Masuaku, Armstrong, El Ghazi to 75. Basham, Osul, Noble, Bellerin to 25. McGoldrick and Cody. Fuchs. Number to 8, we had Joel Ward, Ederson for Man City. We had 1, 2, Saiz for the Wolves. We also had Balbuena. We were missing one of these number to 8 cards, and then we were missing 2 of the Shimmer Autos. DeAndre Yedlin. We've got Chesney for Arsenal. We've got Vardy for Leicester City. And we got Alisson for Liverpool. There you have it, guys. That was first off the line number 4. 5 and 6 are up there. Let me just make a note of this so that I can't remember the first time if it was on in 1 or 2. I'll have to look. I think it was in the second one. Do you guys remember if we were missing an auto and which break it was?